Previously on The Walking Dead.
I know who you are.
I got another good one for you.
You've been all by yourself through this?
Yeah, I want my parents to come home now.
And you keep an eye on that front door. You're our lookout.
It's Doug. You got it.
And I'm Carly.
Okay, Carly, you'll shift in with Doug.
You got it, boss.
Son of a bitch. One of them is bitten.
We reason with him.
With the bloody end of an axe handle, maybe.
Nobody threatens my boy.
God.
And I don't give a shit about what happens to you. But if anything happens to my daughter or that little girl you've got with you, you watch your ass.
Damn it. What'd they get this time?
Looks like a rabbit.
Well, that's another meal lost. I still can't believe we went through all that commissary food in 3 months. It seemed like so much at the time.
Maybe you shouldn't have opened the door.
Yeah, except then I'd probably be food by now. Trust me, I have no regrets.
Rabbit's hardly a meal, Margaret. I'd take it. We're all hungry.
No kidding. When I accidentally grabbed for Carly's rations the other night, I thought she was gonna take off my hand.
We're all on edge. Just cut us some slack.
Yeah, you're right. I wish I knew for sure how much food we have left.
We'll manage.
Maybe. You know, some people aren't too happy about the way Lily's handling rations.
Lily knows it's important to keep the adults fed and functioning. Sometimes that means someone's got to miss a meal.
You think Kenny's having any more luck than we are out here?
I sure hope so.
Yeah, between the lack of food and Kenny and Lily fighting all the time, things are getting pretty tense back at the motor inn. You know, Kenny's been talking about taking off if he can get that RV running.
Kenny won't abandon us. He's a good man.
Yeah, I guess we'll see. Can't blame him, though. Did you hear Larry going off on him last night? What's the old guy's deal, anyway? Seems like he's got a problem with you in particular.
He's just an old racist asshole. That's his deal.
Well, he needs to get over that and start finding a way to pull his weight. Hard problems or not, we should all be out here trying to find food. And I know Lily thinks he's getting weaker, but the guy's all muscle. He's a walking pile driver. I know I wouldn't want to be stuck in a room with him. And didn't he punch you in the face one time?
Knock me flat. Don't. Gunshot'll bring walkers. One bird's not worth it.
Yeah, I know. I'm just really frickin' hungry. Shit, was that Kenny?
I don't know. Come on.
kill us. We just want to help our teacher. We'll leave, I swear.
Lee, you guys okay?
Get it off. Get it off. God damn it. Get it off me. Travis, maybe they can help. These might be the same guys that raided our camp, and we barely got away from that.
What guys?
Why the fuck is there a bear trap out here?
Who raided your camp?
I don't know. Guys with guns. Please, we won't bother you, I swear.
Lee, this is fucked up. We've gotta help him.
Please. Ben, shut up. My dad was Special Forces. I know what I'm doing. Just see if you can get him out. After that, you can leave us or whatever. I don't care. Please.
Was he bitten?
Bitten? No, I swear. Hurry, please, hurry.
Lee, this trap's been altered. There's no release latch.
Oh, no.
Shit. Walkers. It's now or never, Lee.
Please, get me out of this.
Mark, get the boys back. Kenny, keep those walkers off of me.
This is bad.
Damn, this is
so bad.
Really bad.
Lee, do
Get
something.
me out, please.
All that blood and screaming?
Oh, God.
We're gonna be
Please
surrounded any
save
minute.
him, please. Get me out of this. Please hurry. Try to cut the chain. There's got to be something we can do. Hurry. Oh, Jesus, those things are going to be here soon.
Forget it. We use a chain like that to get him out.
Oh,
We'll
have
do it.
to.
We're not cutting through that.
Is he going to
It
make
has
it?
to be now.
Damn, this is
Do you think he
bad.
can get it open?
Really bad.
Just get me out, please. Why is this
All that
happening
blood
to
and
us?
screaming?
Damn
We're
it,
gonna be
Lee,
surrounded
just cut
any
off his
minute.
fucking
There's
leg.
got to be another way.
We don't have time for that. I'm sorry, but we have to go. Now!
Gonna have to cut you out.
No, no, no. Try the trap again. Anything, please.
Lee, I can't keep him back forever.
I want my leg. I want my leg.
Fuck, I'm just wasting ammo now. We gotta go.
Oh, God, there's so many of them. Jesus, I need to walk.
Maybe we can smash it.
Oh, fuck. Oh, God, hurry. Ah! Ah! Please, please, please.
I'm sorry. There's no other choice.
Come on, we gotta go. Now!
No! No, don't leave me.
Damn it, Lee.
I'm sorry.
No! We can't leave Mr. Parker like that. Give me the gun. Give it to
God
me.
damn it, let
Travis! Oh, God.
Shit! What happened?
It was an accident.
Oh, God.
Grab the kid and keep moving.
Come on, move!
You can't leave me like this. Please get me out.